Hey everyone, let's take a look at these stunning Famiware Nebula stoneware dinner plates for your kitchen. These 10-inch plates feature a modern rustic style with a unique black speckled pattern on white. The clever vertical lip design prevents spills while making these dishes perfect for pasta or steaks with sauce. Fired at high temperatures, the surface is incredibly scratch-resistant against your heavy forks and knives. You can safely use them in the microwave and clean them quickly in your dishwasher every day. Their stackable shape saves valuable cupboard space while keeping your kitchen looking organized and very elegant. These durable stoneware pieces truly turn every meal into a warm and beautiful dining experience for everyone. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.